These are kind of fun. Little bench seating areas made out of bamboo. A little bit of shade. Supported by some aluminum supports. Here at Expo 2025, this is the line for the official store. I don't know that I want to go buy stuff that badly. It is really sunny and hot. There are some little shaded areas where you can sit, and lots of people. Alright, recycling. Close the loop. Leftover drinks, plastic bottle caps, plastic bottles without the bottle caps or the label, cans and bottles, must be glass, paper, plastics, non-combustible waste, combustible waste, organic food waste. Very good. And someone who is checking to make sure you're doing it right. Because this guy didn't do it right. And so, yep. Right, there is this enormous structure that's made of wood, and a lot of joinery going on here, and very thick pieces of wood, and you can walk around the outside and look down onto the pavilions here at Expo 2025. Some of the structure will remain. I believe they're going to make a park here, and there will be some other, some of the wood will be removed to do other things with it. Pretty big. Some of the joinery here. But at first I thought it was a solid block, but it's not. Slices. Inside the ring. Oh look, there's an escalator up to the top of the ring. That's good. There are all these pavilions. And a lot of lines. A lot of umbrellas. Okay, fun stuff. USA Pavilion, here we are. The line is 3 hours long. Okay, got my USA Pavilion stamp. Get the stamp. This is Commons A, and there are a lot of countries represented in here. Okay, this is the entrance. It's open entrance. And quite busy. Bolivia, Samoa, Papua New Guinea. Oh, nice and cool. Samoa. Hello. Thank you. Papua New Guinea. One nation, 1,000 cultures, 800 plus languages, 1,000 plus tribes. Bird of paradise. Industries, cocoa, coffee, Papua New Guinea. Oh, look at the sails. Very interesting shape. Grenada, mace, nutmeg, tamarind, nutmeg oil, more nutmeg. Mace is the wrapper around the nutmeg.
Isn't that the stuff you spray in something?
No. Milky, silky chocolate bar. Juve chocolate. Bay leaf tea. Okay, this is the Comoros. Look at this. Le Coleanthe de Comoros. Pads. Weaving. Maybe for lamp candles. East Africa. Okay. Perfume. Birds. Clothes. A stamp book. Crazy. Rwanda's first satellite. Rwasat 17. Barbados. Transforming the world.
One rum drink at a time.
Rums of Barbados. Okay, look how many there are.
Okay.
The Bajan. Wait. Watch and learn the steps from our dance guide, Nandi. Record your best Bajan dance moves. Share on TikTok, Barbados at Expo 2025. Okay, we might do this. All right, I might have to do this.
Oh no. Okay.
Anything you want to do, that's what I want to do. Okay. This is the Trinidad and Tobago exhibit over at the Osaka 2025, and I want to share with you some of these things. Cheesies. That was, I remember that when I was a kid. Cheese curls. Astro's crunchy potato snacks. I don't remember all of these, but Angostura bitters. Yep.
Angostura rum.
Cream cookies. Charles bars.
Coconut shortcake. Oh, nice.
Yep. And okay, TT Expo 2025 is the tag. Let's go look at some more stuff. Steel drum. Scorpion hot sauce. Lively lemon cake mix. Cookie craft. And somebody's mask costume. More masks. And this is Tobago. Peanut and sea moss cream liqueur. Stewed red plum. Cocoa chocolate dasheen cream liqueur. Tanchi coffee. Coconut fudge. Trinidad and Tobago. Malawi did it right. They brought their stuff and they're selling right here. Isn't that great? Burundi did it right too.
Yeah.
They brought their cafe. Yeah. I mean, that's a good way to have it staffed with your
When they find out like how good the food is.
with your real people, you know. Trinidad and Tobago, the energy of the Caribbean. Carnival costume. Make an investment in oil. What is this? Some of the most affordable operating cost structures for hotel in the region. Investment grade rating, no exchange controls, a modern award-winning airport, a collection of successful internationally branded hotel developments. Press on Vermont, energy, finance, trade, education, rich cultural mosaic, biodiversity. Trinidad clothing brands. Have a stick. Usually you have a stick.
We have a stick there. Just tap with your fingers then. You hit too hard, it'll put it out of tune.
Somebody must have taken the sticks.
Yeah, too bad.
Malawi brought all of their jewelry for sale. Yemen brought stuff to sell too. See, look, they made their own bags.